Welcome back to my channel, Michelle Gay Science Teacher, where it's all about science. Today we're talking about the water cycle. The water cycle, an ongoing process where our water continues to go in a path and it is collected in the earth. And it goes through this path continuously through this cycle of water where it's renewed, it's just over and over, used and used again. And so first we start off with the body of water that's located in different places of the world. We can see bodies of water in oceans, we can see it in lakes, we can see it in rivers, streams, creeks, and water is even underground. It is located in ice. For instance, in the North and South Pole, there are glaciers where there's ice, and we consider that part of our water cycle. The water cycle is able to be processed through four things. One is going to be evaporation, condensation, number three, precipitation, and the last one, collection. So evaporation, water evaporates when the sun hits the earth and the water is warm. It begins to slowly move up into what we call water vapors that we can't see with the natural eye because it is a gas. As it is going up, it is carrying also with it other particles such as dirt particles. And once the water vapors move up and are collected, we call those clouds, which is now condensation. When condensation occurs, the clouds form. And as the clouds continue to increase with water, we begin to see what's next called precipitation. Precipitation is in the form of rain, sleet, snow, hail, and it comes back to the earth and it is collected back into the bodies of water. We are going to make a mini water cycle so that we can see the four steps of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. For the mini water cycle in a bag, you're going to need tape, blue food coloring, marker, a baggie, and some water. First, take your marker and label your bag. So I'm going to put a slope for our hill and put a tree on top. We're going to put the body of water where the water is collected at the bottom. At the top, we're going to put the sun. Remember, we need the sunlight. And then we're going to put the clouds to represent our condensation. So your bag should be something like this. And you can also label each part. Open your Ziploc bag and carefully pour in your water. About this much. Take your blue food coloring, add 3 drops, mix it well, and then carefully close your bag. Make sure it is completely closed so that when your bag is closed, it will get warm inside in order for the process to start. Next, you will take your tape and you're going to put tape at the top part of your baggie. Place your baggie on a window where the sun is shining in and observe for the next few days. Now that your bag has been sitting or placed in the sunlight for a while, maybe it's the next day or a couple of days later, you should begin to notice that the water is evaporating and forming the gas. You should notice the condensation in the bag. And then where you see the water coming back down is going to be your precipitation. As it sits longer and continue to warm up, you're going to see more precipitation throughout the process. I hope you enjoyed learning about the water cycle and you made your mini water cycle in the bag. Thank you for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, please click that subscribe button so you can see more videos like these in the future. Have a great day.